Hey traders, welcome back. This is the 7th video of our 10-part strategy series where I will continue to reveal simple yet powerful strategies tailored towards trading the Nasdaq and the micro Nasdaq futures markets. Again, the best part of all of these strategies are that they're meant to be accessible to everyone and easy to understand, whether you're a complete beginner or a more seasoned trader. Watch as I reveal easy to follow trading methods that you can start using right away without wasting your time hunting for opportunities every single day. Alright traders, for my 7th strategy, I would like to talk about the Nasdaq Quick Strike Signal Trader, which is basically a tool suite, in this case comprised out of 3 different signals, which basically detects reversals or trend continuation type setups. Right now you can see on my chart there, I've got green and red dots. Now I've actually got the trend reversal signal activated here. Basically, if you get a red signal, I want to go short. If I get a green signal, I want to go long. I also got a trend detector applied to my chart. So when it's green, I only want to take green or long signals. And when it's red, I only want to take short signals. You can see on that particular day, on the right hard edge of the chart, there was no reversal signals as yet. So I was just waiting at that time for a red dot to appear, signaling that there might be a reversal. And after a brief wait, that did appear, but rather than just going short immediately, this day I was trying to trade this on the micro Nasdaq, again using a 1 minute time frame, so a bit more of a scalping mentality. I like to wait for a candle after the signal has printed that fails to make a new high if I wanted to go short, if that makes sense. It's just another sort of confirmation that price is running out of momentum. You can see at the close of the second candle, that green one, another reversal signal printed. It failed to make a new high. In this case, I placed 6 contracts for sell order below that candle. But on the very next candle, price printed a new high, so I cancelled my orders. And again, what do I do after a signal appears? In this case, again, reversals. I like to see a candle that fails to make a new high. It was actually on that red candle forming right now that I preempted to get into a trade. It failed to break above the previous candle's high. I got short for 6 contracts. In this case, there was around about 40 ticks of risk in this trade. Again, trading 6 contracts. My first target was taken off at a 1-to-1 ratio. I reduced my risk on my remaining contracts, and I decided to position my second target at a 1-to-2 ratio. Moments later, price came very close to actually reaching my second target. I decided to go to break even plus a few ticks in my favor, and was hoping that price would reach my second target. And unfortunately, price went sideways for a little while, and eventually I got stopped out on my trailing stop. Unfortunately, not a massive trade. But again, scalping the markets, you've got to be quite aggressive, especially with this strategy as well, on a 1 minute time frame, by trailing or reducing risk as soon as possible. Again, it wasn't long until another signal appeared, so I decided I will attempt another short, again having to wait for a candle that fails to make a new high above the signal candle. Got another signal, got short. And in this case, my stop loss was about 50 ticks away. Again, short 6 contracts. There was actually a green reversal candle printed there, but because I'm below the trend detector, it was showing red for bearish environment, I stayed short. First target was hit very quickly. Reduced my risk also very aggressively after that first target was hit. And a nice long-ranging candle that came very near to my second target, this time also positioned at a 1-to-2 ratio. Again, I was pretty aggressive with that. Price reversed higher and I got stopped out again on my trailing stop. Again, being very, very aggressive by trailing my stops or reducing my risks during the actual trade. So trade management being a very, very important part of scalping in my opinion. But overall, in a matter of an hour or so, this strategy with 2 trades yielded about $380. Obviously, that's now without commission, but trading the micro contract of the Nasdaq. And that concludes today's 7th strategy video. If you want to see the remaining strategies in the series, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, if you want to get your hands on indicators similar to the one I've shown you here today in this video, then please consider joining our free Ninjacators Indicator of the Month Club by checking out the link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.